Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Happy happiness day ya guys. This is a fruit seller or a fruit merchant ya guys. Yes. Okay. I am in Renon. This is Renon ya guys. Renon Balinese. Okay. Ya, like this ya guys, like this. Okay. I waiting order inside here ya guys.